If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. One of the more challenging vegetables in which you may grow in your garden can be peppers, from the starting seed process indoors to the planting out and getting fruit to produce. You can buy your starts from your independent garden center, though at this point of the year, if you do not have them started, that would be the only option, or you could get it at a farmer's market type of situation. We've started a number of varieties in our root maker trays here, and then we're going to plant it in our root maker 60-gallon grow bag. So I'm going to show you how we would plant, or how we're going to plant a pepper here. So I'm going to select a lunchbox variety pepper. The advantage of starting them in the root maker grow bags is there are no wraparound. Very vigorous roots, very happy roots. There's no root bound, and the more roots on a plant is the more vigorous and root system on a plant that's able to pick up more nutrients. Now on peppers, you may see additional roots growing. You can see here there's some additional roots here above where it was in the container. Now tomatoes, you can go ahead and plant them deep. Those will all turn into roots. You can plant the peppers about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch deeper. Any more, you can potentially cause the stem to rot out. So we are going to plant it slightly deeper. Now, we've got our bed set up here with our irrigation system on, We've worked it and removed any of the weeds. So we're just going to go, I'm going to use some of this compost here. It's all the same stuff. And it's about right. Now before I fill it completely full, I'm going to take my fertilizer, organic fertilizer, put a string on a bucket so I don't lose the measuring device, and using the recommended rate on the back of the package for that particular kind. And then I'm just going to backfill over that fertilizer, tuck it in, and there you go. Now you don't have to support peppers through a cage. You can choose to do such, but I think it's a completely wasted piece of equipment in the garden. Peppers are very sturdy. They'll grow just fine. In this 60-gallon grow bag, which is about 12 inches high, 14 inches high, and 36 inches in diameter, give or take a few, we're going to put 4 peppers in here. So you can pack them in really tight. One of the things that people are not aware of is peppers seem to do better whenever they can touch limbs or leaves together. So that doesn't mean you want to crowd them. You want to give them enough space to when they mature, it'll just be kind of a whole hedge of peppers. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been First Garden, New Gardener.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.